Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to introduce you to an e-bike company called SMRFS. And that's an acronym that they use for the sun, mountains, river, forest, and sea. And according to them, they have designed this e-bike for the RVer. Hey, if you're new here, welcome. We hope that you enjoyed this content. If so, make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'd love to have you along for the ride. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and assembly of this unit. The reason I want to show you that is this company has a unique way of sending their products to you where we can literally almost assemble this sitting right here where it is. So I want to show you that. Part 2 of this video, which will be later, we're going to show the features, we're going to show its rideability, and why this company says it's built for the RVer. So stay tuned for that. That's part 2. But now let's get to the unboxing. And because of the way they have it designed, you want to take note from which end you want to open this from. So what I'm going to do now is just remove these staples. And here's one of the really neat things about the way they ship their bikes. Watch this. We just grab this strap and slide it out, which is exactly where we will also assemble it. Oh, how cool is that? Just slide it right out. The thing I want to do is just remove this front tire from the packaging. I'm going to cut some zip ties. Make sure you're cutting zip ties and not any of the wires on the bike itself. Move this out of the way. We'll put that on in just a few minutes. This is our accessory box up here in the front. And we're going to take a look inside of it, see what we have. Got another SMRFS box, and here is going to be our Defender user model. We'll be taking a close look at that. And here's some keys. The keys are actually used to unlock and lock the battery, and these remotes actually turn the bike on and off and sets the alarm. Oh, look at this, man. It also comes with a very nice keychain and a small screwdriver. We'll worry about all that a little bit later. Okay, let's put this away and see what else we have in the accessory box. Just like we have some tools that's going to help us assemble some of the parts. Yeah, there's some Allen wrenches, an open-end wrench, and looks like you've got some tools here to replace or patch a tube should you have a flat tire. Okay, very good. Next up we have the headlight, the pedals, and here's our 3-amp battery charger. All right, let's assemble this beast. Going to remove the front box, and we're going to get ready to attach the handlebars. But first, let me cut some of the zip ties away. Cut that, and then free up the handlebars. Going to remove the padding around the handlebar clamp. Let me spin this around. Get that straight. There we go. All right, now using some of the tools they provided, we're going to loosen the handlebar clamp so we can attach the handlebars. Let me get these bars lined up right here. Get them lined up, and you may have to adjust your display if you need to. Line up the clamp, and we're going to insert these 4 screws. Remove the packaging around the handlebar grips. Before I put the front wheel on, we want to remove this brake pad protector. So make sure you remove that. Now let me line up the front wheel, put it back in the original box here, and we're going to just line the wheel up with the front forks. Now we're just going to install the quick release axle on this end. And on this side is our bolt that the axle actually screws into. Got that in place. Now let's just tighten the axle. Okay. I believe that's got it. All right, now I'm just making sure I got my front wheel aligned correctly and everything looks good right there. Now let's install the fender and the headlight. Let me remove this little bolt. Put my headlight in, and then we're going to line up the fender with that. Now we're just going to secure both of these with a screw. Hey, if you decide to purchase one of these bikes, we do have a discount code below in the description. Enter that discount code and you'll receive $150 off and an additional free trailer worth $299. Again, that discount code is down below in the description. Now just connect the front fender supports. And it's time to plug in the headlight. All right, now let me look at everything here, make sure everything is aligned and everything looks good, because it's got some adjustability in it. So fix that headlight just a little bit, adjust my fender. Very nice, okay. Looking good, looking good. Let's keep moving. Time to get the bike out of the boxes. Kickstand. Front box removed. Looking good. Now let's remove some more of this packaging so we can see the beauty of this bike. Oh man, look at that beautiful, beautiful white on black like that. Looks great, man. Let me remove this little packaging right here. Look at that, all right. Nice rack back here. Also has a little seat cover on there. Check it out, very nice. The white paint with the black trim, I think that just looks sharp, man. Looks like a beast. I cannot wait to ride this thing. Next, we're going to install the battery. And as I had imagined, it's packaged very well also. The battery itself weighs almost 8 pounds. Specs say it's a 48 volt, 13.6 amp hour battery. All right, let's put it in the bike. And to insert the battery, we just take one of the keys and turn it to the left and unlock the battery compartment. We just install the battery like this, just set it in. Boom, and snap it in. You'll hear it sort of click. And then we turn the key back to lock it in. Now it's locked in. Now to remove the battery, we simply insert the key, turn it to the left, and activate this latch right here, and you'll see the battery will fall out. Make sure you hold on to it because it will fall out. Now for now, let's insert it. We're going to get ready to charge it up. Good to go. All right, now let's insert the pedals. See the left one and the right one. They also shows you which way to rotate the pedals, and we're going to use their open-end wrench to tighten it up. And by the way, in our next video, we will certainly dive deeper into SMRFS's company. They put a lot of effort and time into researching what RVers wanted and try to build the best bike for the RVer. All right, there's the left side, and we'll do the same thing for the right side. I mean, their brand name was inspired by the elements: sun, mountains, river, forest, and sea. That's a pretty cool start if you ask me. The next thing is air pressure. You see right here that this tire will hold maximum 40 PSI. So I'm going to run it at about 35, which is one of their recommendations. Run it at about 35 PSI. Well, hey, there you have it, guys. The unboxing and setup of the SMRFS E Bike for RVers. Hey, be on the lookout for part 2 of this video where we check out its features and its rideability and learn why the company says this is an e-bike for RVers. Hey, thanks for your time. To see more videos, click on the one right here on the screen, and we hope to see you there. Until next time, be well and stay safe.